surname Englishman. And the thoughts from my foot that a English brand. Give up about your man, I'm a businessman. Right the half baby at a transaction. Oh my God, be man, you love that song. Oh, you love this song, you are real mad one. But your mad, they cry when you're choking tongue. Come Mr. Clean, I need a dirty one. Inna the water, inna the sea, be a Tarzan, cocky and inna the tree. If you're on the bed, then you're not. Me barefoot, dirty wine, girl, drop on your knee. Jump off a speaker like me name John. Singing a the brand new Gucci, new Givenchy. If you there your prank, girl, then ring me FT, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever the case be. Just funny floor, funny floor, funny floor, funny floor, funny floor, funny floor, funny 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 funny
So why the